With increased digitalization across all UK sectors, the AI skill gap continues to grow. In the wake of COVID-19, over a third of UK organizations have scaled up their AI technologies. Despite this fact, the UK still lags behind in AI adoption in compared to global figures, and as a result, loses out on around £36 billion each year. But what exactly is the skills gap and the skills we're talking about? And how can we actually go about bridging this gap? Hello, everybody. My name is Utku, and I've spent the past 6 weeks working with the faculty fellowship team on answering just this by analyzing the AI skills gap with job market data. As you all know, the fellowship aims to transition academics from academia into data science through a well-curated fellowship program. And it does this rather successfully, largely due to the well-curated skills that it delivers. The right skills are crucial to both the success of fellows and in delivering the right talent for the market demand. So given that the market, the AI market is highly volatile, is there a data-driven way to meet the right skills and stay ahead of the curve? The answer is yes, and I've spent the last 6 weeks working on this. So in my project, we have retrieved over 5,000 unique job ads over the past 4 months, clean the kind of noisy job data, and managed to extract features and visualize insights into the job market. And furthermore, use natural language processing to extract specific skills out of job descriptions so that we can kind of map the market to the curriculum. So what have we found? So one of the key insights out of this was in mapping the current curriculum to the job market dataset and in determining the popularity of skills. So as you can see on the plot here, on the far left, you have Python with over 70% popularity. That means 70% of the jobs within our dataset requires Python, followed by machine learning at over 60%, SQL over 40%. And skills such as Spark and NLP and TensorFlow fluctuating between 10 to 20%. But can we actually do more? And the idea is, can we extract unknown skills from job ads using kind of NLP by utilizing on the skills that we already know? So imagine you're given this paragraph here, and from within it, there's skills that are embedded. Some of these skills that we know and teach, so Python, NumPy, Pandas, etc. But there are other skills that we might be interested in, but don't currently teach. So Geoplot.lib or PyTorch. So can we actually do something to somehow extract these other skills that are currently unknown to the fellowship? The answer is yes, and we can go about doing this by using something called named entity recognition. So imagine you're given this sentence here where Alice joins faculty AI as a data scientist in London, and within it you are trying to extract specific entities such as Alice as a person, faculty AI as an organization, and London as a location. And the way we do this is by training a machine learning algorithm to extract the specific entities and where they may belong within a sentence. So we can do the same thing with our job description dataset. So in this example, for instance, you have scikit-learn and TensorFlow, two skills that we teach in the curriculum. We could use these to essentially tag the sentence and feed this into the NLP algorithm, such that it potentially might be able to learn to detect other skills such as PyTorch that isn't in the training dataset. Another way of going about this is by masking these skills, so to reduce the algorithm's ability to memorize the skills and rather learn from the context. In applying these techniques, I successfully was able to detect a varying range of skills. Some of these skills were useful to inform the fellowship, and others were skills that were kind of similar to those that are already within the fellowship, and furthermore, other skills which were extremely niche and very specific to certain businesses. But with a human in the loop, we're able to essentially now use this map and see what's of interest. And furthermore, we can monitor how the popularity of a given skill that we have detected or a skill within the curriculum changes over time. So here right now, we only have 4 months of data. But as you can imagine, with much more data, we'll be able to see, for instance, if a certain skill within the curriculum is losing popularity, or a certain other skill outside of the curriculum is gaining popularity, to make well-informed decisions. To conclude, I have deployed multiple NER models, successfully identifying unseen skills such as PyTorch and AWS, but beyond a lot more than that. Was able to implement a matching algorithm that tracks the kind of relevance of current skills and newly identified skills. But beyond that, we're now able to track in real time how a specific skill's popularity is changing. And the hope is that this approach will be kind of long-lasting and will allow the fellowship to stay ahead of the job market and bridge the AI gap in time. Thank you very much.